In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if your iPhone not receiving incoming calls. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, I recommend you to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to bring up the control center. And here just ensure that none of the focus modes are currently turned on. We can easily check that if we look right here and there. As you can see, on my device currently do not disturb mode is enabled. I always enable this mode while recording a video for you guys, because while this mode is active, incoming calls are not allowed until I turn it off. So just make sure it is not enabled. To do that, hit to disable do not disturb, just hit right here. So right there it should say focus. If it says focus here and if this icon is not highlighted, it means that default focus mode is active. And now we can head over to the next step. Now guys, first off we need to head over to settings. On the settings page, scroll all the way down until you find phone, and here we are looking for call forwarding option. First off, we need to get into it. Here I got two SIM cards, so I have to choose one to continue. And then if call forwarding is enabled for any of your SIM cards, then I just recommend you to turn it off, just like that. After that, we can head over to the next solution. At phone settings, we are looking for silence unknown callers option. If this option is enabled, calls from unknown callers will be silenced, so just make sure it is turned off as well. After that, we need to go down below here where we can easily find blocked contacts. Here we can check all the numbers and the email addresses we've blocked, and these users are not able to call us. And guys, if you are not getting incoming calls from a particular users, you should check this list. Maybe you've added them to that list, and if you've done that, you just need to remove that user from here. Just swipe to the left and then hit add unblock. Basically guys, these are all the solutions how you can easily fix that issue. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.